Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to change trusted or registered device on Wise. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now, first thing that we want to do here is you first have to go ahead and go to wise.com, or you want to go ahead and open up your Wise mobile application. Now, in this case, go ahead and use any of those. But in this scenario, we want to basically access our settings, which is the same thing when we are using the web version or either the application itself. So in this case, let's just go ahead and click our name here, and we want to go to settings. Now, once you get to settings, what you need to do is you want to change the two-step verification settings. So just look for two-step verification and open this up. And from here, click on the change two-step verification settings. Now, by default, the settings or the settings that we have here is actually set to Wise app. So by default, that's the two-step verification that is enabled on our account. So what we need to do here, click on the Wise app section here and basically turn this off. So it's going to give you this information here. Are you sure you want to remove authentication? If you want to use push login again, you will need to download enable from the app. So text message will be sent as a two-factor method by default. So just click on remove, and from here what you need to do is you need to confirm this on your mobile application again. And once you confirm that, it's going to basically say you're no longer using the Wise app as a verification method. So by default, whenever you log in into your account, it's going to basically send you a two-factor authentication via your SIM card. So yeah, so if you want to enable this one, you just need to go ahead and log in to the other device that you want to use two-step verification. Go to settings again, and you want to use the Wise app section again, and from there just enable that one, and you'll be able to change your trusted device or registered device on Wise. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.